Hello, everyone. Good morning. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Okay, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. So, today, y'all, I am coming to you all with a Crafty Vision segment. This video was previously pre-recorded. In today's video, this is a voiceover that I am doing. I'm going to be showing you all how to make and create a beautiful pair of earrings using these faux pearl beads that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm quite sure these are 12 millimeter. I'm quite sure that the Dollar Tree from time to time still carry these pearl beads. But when I first purchased these, I thought that they had holes in them, but unfortunately, they did not have holes. So you don't necessarily have to buy these at the Dollar Tree. You can use whatever you have just as long as it is 12 millimeter. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into the other things that you are going to need. This is a dowel that I purchased from Walmart. And that dowel is about 12 inches long, and it is about a half of an inch thick. I am going to be using my round nose pliers. You will need 2 fish hooks. You will also need your wire cutters. And I am going to be also using some 12 gauge aluminum wire, 12 inches long. Now, I do want to say that if you decide to sell these earrings, please make sure that you use some other type of glue, whether it be E6000 glue or Gorilla Glue. You're going to need a glue that is going to hold in that pearl permanently. As far as me doing this with the glue gun, this is just to show you all, because when I created these, I wanted, just to give y'all something quick. But if you decide to sell these, please make sure you use a glue that have a really good adhesive. So here I cut my wire 12 inches, and I am going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to make 4 spirals. So 4 spirals. And in this video, y'all, I am doing some talking. This is a video that I'm doing a voiceover because some years back, I created a lot of videos and I put music in them, and it went against the copyright. So instead of me getting rid of the videos, I just decided to save them and then just do a voiceover so that you all could get these DIY videos. So basically, I made my 4 spirals. I'm taking my round nose pliers and I am pushing that in just enough to hold my pearl. Okay. So I'm going to take my glue gun, and I'm just showing you all how it should look. And then I'm going to take my glue gun and take my pearl, and I'm going to put a generous amount of glue down in that hole. Now, just like I said, please make sure that if you decide to sell these, that you use a glue that will permanently hold that down in there, okay? The next thing I'm doing is I'm going to wrap around the pearl. So I'm actually holding it as tight as I can hold it, and I am wrapping it around. And I think when you finish, you should have at least about 3 inches of wire or 3.5 inches of wire left. You're going to take your dowel, and like I said, you can find this dowel at Walmart. I purchased it a long time ago. And you're going to wrap that around just like that. And then once you wrap it around, you are going to make a loop on the other side. Now, the one thing that I do love about dowels is that dowels, they make the perfect shape, okay? So you have an absolute perfect circle, and then you're going to just take your round nose pliers and go down the bottom and wrap it and just make another loop down on the end. Now, another thing that I did with this design is that I took my pliers that I'm using are 3-in-1 pliers. And you see what I'm doing? I'm actually going in and I'm squeezing the wire, because you can do that with aluminum wire. Aluminum wire is a very soft wire. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect my fish hook on. And then you have yourself a beautiful pair of satin, I'm going to say cage, like a bird cage earring. And these are very light. And, you know, you can make these in all different types of colors. Now, I do want to say, if you can find some marbles, you can do this. It doesn't necessarily have to be these type of pearls, but you can do this with any kind of, as long as it's a nice round 12 millimeter bead. It doesn't necessarily have to be these, okay? Whatever's in your stash. And if you want to make them smaller, you can also make these smaller as well. So, yeah, these are very lightweight. They are very, very, very stylish. And you can make them in any color. You can make them in silver. This is just 12 gauge aluminum wire. And for those of you who are interested, you can find aluminum wire anywhere. Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabrics, Michael's, Walmart, I think, if I'm not mistaken, sells it too. But you can find it anywhere. And like I was saying, that if you do decide to sell these, please make sure that you use an adhesive that is going to permanently hold the gem down inside the wire. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. See ya.